And for more, we have a correspondent, Amit Mukherjee, joining us from Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Well, Amit, good morning. In Phase 4 polls, 8 of the 29 seats will be casting votes. Each constituency presents a unique set of challenges and opportunities. How is the campaigning going on there to entice the voters?
Absolutely, Lipakshi, it's a very electrifying atmosphere out here in Madhya Pradesh, which will be polling in the last phase. I mean, this would be the last phase. In fact, the fourth phase would be the last phase of elections, where about 8 constituencies, parliamentary constituencies are going for polls. Now, very interesting, these all 8 constituencies, they fall in the Malwa region, which is actually the western part of Madhya Pradesh. And primarily, this can be divided into 2 zones, basically a tribal and a non-tribal zone. Now, as far as the non-tribal zones is concerned, the constituencies are Indore, Ujjain, Mandsaur and Khandwa. So here BJP has been traditionally very strong. Now, if we look at the past election records, BJP has been doing extremely well. In fact, if analysis by various people are to be considered out here, BJP is still emerging about in 6 out of the 8 constituencies, BJP is emerging very, very strong. Now, where it faces challenges, the tribal zone, especially the Khargone and the Dhar, constituencies where, Congress has been very, very active. So that is where the challenge for the BJP lies, and it is putting in all its effort in that particular region to ensure that, if you look at the last assembly elections also, so that is where the challenge has primarily come from BJP. So that is where the focus is right now in the tribal zones, and BJP is putting in all its efforts to ensure that things work out well for them.
All right. Also, Amit, what are the major issues there which will shape the political trajectory of Madhya Pradesh?
See, primarily major issues have always been development out here, and looking at what is going to be the future, of developmental, all those projects that have been undertaken. So as far as BJP is considered, they have been kind of talking about development, and to ensure the development continues uninterrupted. That is why they should be brought back to power. Now, Congress is also pitching itself, very hard with the electorates out here, and they are also saying that they want, they are pointing out things which they feel are unfinished out here or untouched, and that those are the things that they are looking at, various tribal issues and areas which they feel have not been developed. I mean, those are the planks that Congress is now working on as far as the campaigns out here is concerned. Lipakshi?
All right, Amit, thank you so much for that information from there.